Hello, this is Songblings. Today, I'm going to paint a picture of sunflowers. In many Asian cultures, sunflowers are believed to attract wealth and good fortune, which makes sunflower paintings a wonderful gift. For this project, I'll be using a store-bought canvas painting kit. You can search for terms such as paint by numbers kit, and you'll find many different designs, priced at around $10 to $20. There are plenty of pictures to choose from, so you can select one that suits your personal taste. The kit includes acrylic paints, brushes, and a canvas. The brushes are not particularly high quality, but they are good enough to complete the painting. Since this project takes quite a long time, I painted some of the sunflower petals in advance the day before. One of my brushes even snapped. For reference, I bought this kit about 2 years ago, so some of the acrylic paint had completely dried out. About half of the acrylic paints had dried up, so I had to mix new colors myself and use those instead. When I tried pulling it out with my fingers, it simply came apart. This only happened because I left the kit unused for such a long time. So please start painting soon after you purchase yours. I'm thinking about which colors to mix to recreate the dried paint. Anyone who has painted on canvas before has probably done a lot of color mixing. It is not too bad when you mix a color at the beginning of a painting, but when you return to the painting later and the acrylic paint has dried, having to recreate exactly the same color can be really stressful. When working with one color, you need to keep searching for every section marked with the same number. Since the numbers are so small and there are so many of them, they can be quite difficult to find. Then, while you are working on another color, you often notice a section you missed from the previous one. The thinner and more curved the sections are, the more difficult the painting becomes. Not only are those areas harder to paint, but the numbers are also more difficult to see. And if you accidentally paint over the outline, the number underneath may become difficult to read. For a canvas of this size, it usually takes an average person about a week to complete, regardless of whether they are naturally good at art or not. The difficulty varies slightly depending on the size and shape of the sections in each design. This sunflower painting, however, is easy enough for beginners to try. Even for someone like me who has some painting experience, it can take about 4 days to finish when working for 4 or 5 hours each day. I'm now finishing up the second day of painting. It's the next day, and I'm starting the third day of work. Since starting my YouTube channel, I've also been creating my own background music to avoid copyright issues. This time, I made a song inspired by arts and crafts. Please enjoy the music while you work along with me.
Clear your mind, move your hands, let the noise fall where it lands. Take a breath, let it go, you don't need to solve it all. When the heavy thoughts grow quiet and your heart begins to slow, there's nothing left to worry, just the work in front of you. One small piece, one small line, everything will come in time. Make your own world, make it with your hands. Shape it how you feel it, not the way they say you can. Make your own world, only you know how. No one else can make the thing you're making here and now. Only you, only you, only you can make it. Only you, no one can replace it. Same color, same design, still they never look alike. Every curve, every thread carries something you have said. Nothing here is made by accident. Every detail has a place. Every choice becomes a part of you. Every mark becomes your trace. One small piece, one small line, everything will come in time. Make your own world, make it with your hands. Shape it how you feel it, not the way they say you can. Make your own world, only you know how. No one else can make the thing you're making here and now. Let your hands move, let your mind rest. You don't have to make it perfect, you just have to make it yours. Let the colors find their own way. Every little imperfection makes it something only you could make. Make your own world, make it with your hands. Every shape and every color grows into a part of you. Make your own world, let it come alive. No one else can take your place, no one sees it through your eyes. Only you, only you, only you can make it. Your own world, your own way. Let your hands create it. Clear mind, move your hands, let the noise fall where it lands. Take a breath, let it go, you don't need to solve it all. When the heavy thoughts grow quiet and your heart begins to slow, there's nothing left to worry, just the work in front of you. One small piece, one small line, everything will come in time. Make your own world, make it with your hands. Shape it how you feel it, not the way they say you can. Make your own world, only you know how. No one else can make the thing you're making place. Every choice becomes a part of you. Every mark becomes your trace. One small piece, one small line. Everything will come in time. Make your own world, make it with your hands. Shape it how you feel it, not the way they say you can. Make your own world, only you know how. No one else can make the thing you're making here and now. Let your hands move, let your mind rest. You don't have to make it perfect, you just have to make it yours. Let the colors find their own way. Every little imperfection makes it something only you could make. Make your own world, make it with your hands. Every shape and every color grows into a part of you. Make your own world, let it come alive. No one else can take your place, no one sees it through your eyes. Only you, only you, only you can make it your own world, your own way. Let your hands create it.
How did you like the music? I think it goes quite well with arts and crafts. Whenever possible, I'm thinking of uploading background music made especially for arts and crafts along with each new project. When you are doing crafts or painting, make sure to stretch regularly so that your eyes and neck do not become too tired. Sometimes I work in the same position for 5 to 8 hours a day. My body can become tired and stiff, and there are times when I need a while to recover. Of course, working with good posture would be ideal. But when you focus on working efficiently, it is not always easy to maintain the correct posture. That is why I try to take a short trip once a month to relax and refresh myself. There are so many wonderful places to visit here in Korea. When I have the opportunity, I would also love to introduce some of the places I often visit and a few of my favorite restaurants. Now it is time to search for any hidden numbers. Before painting the background in a completely different color, I carefully check whether I have missed any sections or painted anything incorrectly. That is the end of the third day, and now only the background is left to paint. Since this is a canvas, you do not need to put it in a separate frame. You can simply hang it on the wall as it is. I finished painting the background on the fourth day. And here is the completed painting. Although this project takes quite a long time, you will probably feel much more attached to the finished piece because you painted it yourself. I'll see you again in my next craft project. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.